To connect Sony WH-1000XM6 into the mobile application on your Android or iOS, first of all, just open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for this application. Now, what we have to do is just to simply turn on our headphones by holding that power key until that indicator right here starts blinking blue. So keep holding, and now you can release. Now we are in the pairing mode, so it will allow us to connect. So we have to open the Sony application and now select your region from the list. Then you will have to just click for that switcher and click start. Click agree and proceed, click agree and start using, and now click OK if you have this issue, allow for that permission, and now just wait a little bit. Be sure that we are still in the pairing mode. Click next in the right bottom corner, and here select Sony WH-1000XM6 from available devices, accept another permissions, and after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. Now we are waiting for this connecting process. It will actually take around a few seconds, and here, as you can see, we are successfully connected. Now all you have to do is just to just go forward through all of this setup, and you will be able to use that application. So I'm going to click X, and here we are connected. Thanks for watching.